In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure distance between 2 points in Photoshop. Whether you're checking spacing between design elements or verifying dimensions in a photo, measuring accurately can save time and prevent guesswork. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can use it with confidence. First, select the Measure tool. In many versions of Photoshop, it's tucked under the eyedropper tool. Click and hold on the eyedropper icon in the toolbar to reveal the hidden tools, then choose the Measure tool. In some versions, this may be labeled as the Ruler tool, and it works the same way. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, pressing the I key cycles through the eyedropper group until you land on the Measuring tool, which can be faster once you're used to it. With the tool selected, click once on your starting point, then drag to your ending point. A straight line appears between the 2 points. Release the mouse to set the line. For precision, zoom in before you click so you can land exactly on edges, corners, or anchor points. If you need to fine-tune, you can grab either endpoint and drag it to adjust without redrawing the whole line. Holding Shift while you drag constrains the angle to 45-degree increments, which is helpful if you're measuring perfectly horizontal or vertical distances. Now, to see the exact measurement, open the Info panel, go to the window menu at the top and choose Info. The Info panel will show you the width and height components of your measurement, as well as the straight line distance between your 2 points. That distance is the number you want when you're checking spacing or verifying alignment. The units you see there match your document's current units, so if your document is set to pixels, you'll get a pixel measurement. If it's set to inches or centimeters, you'll see those units instead. As you move the endpoints, watch how the values in the Info panel update live, which makes it easy to dial in the exact measurement you need. That's all there is to it. Select the Measure tool from under the eyedropper, click and drag between your 2 points, and read the distance in the Info panel. With a little zooming and careful placement, you'll get precise results every time. Practice this on a